Hi, welcome back. Let's see how to traverse the map interface. Map interface contains a collection of key value pairs and processing is different from the actual collection interfaces. So, I have taken the separate video how to process the map. So, we can able to process it in many ways, out of which I have taken these are the 5 ways. So, let us discuss the first one. Key set with iterator. Guys, you know already key set is a method which you use for to get keys in the map interface, right? So if I write data dot key set, which is going to return set interface values, and on this can I perform iterable interface? Yes, iterator. If I am going to press Ctrl 1, it's going to assign to the local variable, that is iterator, right? Now can I able to process it? Yes, simple while loop. I can go with iterator dot has next. Is there any next values are there or not? Yes, if it is there, I have to get iterator dot next, right? So I can assign it directly here, statement locally. So I am going to get the key as string and then I am going to print next value. This is the key. I want to have the value, then I can go with data dot get of what the value you have to pass. You have to pass the key. If I try to go with this one, if I run it, you will get banana 4, apple 5 and guava 6. Like this you can able to process, right? Next way is you can go with entry with iterator, right? So guys, entry is a kind of interface which is available in the map interface. So we have a method called entrySet method. I will try to write so that you can understand. Data dot entrySet method is there, which will return, if I press Ctrl 1 as into the local variable, which is going to return set of entries, where each entry will be in the form of string and integer, means key value pairs. I can able to iterate over this entry set using again an iterator. So entrySet dot iterator I can able to perform. If I press Ctrl 1 again assign to local variable, you will get like this. Okay, now you know while I can go with while loop, while iterator 2 dot has next, I can able to process iterator dot next. So it is going to return its return type is somewhat different, you can understood. It is going to define some entry, observe entry, then I have to process it once again. If you want to process it, this out of next dot get key, I can get it. Sys out of next dot get value. These are the method that I have discussed in the earlier video. If I am going to run it and I am going to make this as comment, again you will get banana 4, apple 5 and guava 6. That's it. Similarly, you can go with the next approach where you can go with some advanced for each loop. Some for each loop I can go. So here I will try to pass the data dot entry set. I will make the return type change, which will be entry, right? So now in this particular loop I can able to print its values. Sys out of string dot get key, I can get sys out of string dot get value. That's it. If I run this one, you will get the same output. Okay, this is the way you can able to use it with the advanced for each loop. and you can go with some advanced concepts with the help of lambda expressions, right? This is a simple one, so I can go with directly writing data dot for each, which is a kind of by consumer. It can accept key value pairs, something like key comma value. I can print them directly. Sys out of, I can print it as key. Sys out of, I can print its value directly. Sorry, it should be v. What are the things that I am going to pass? Yes, if I run this one, you will get the same answer: banana 4, apple 5, and guava 6. Right? Yes, the same thing you can able to implement with the help of streams. First, I am going to convert, get the entry set, data dot entry set dot, and then I am going to convert it into stream. Then I will apply for each. For each entry I am going to print. I will make the block sys out of each entry dot get key. Okay, fine. And then sys out of each entry dot get value. If I am going to run this one, you will get the same output. Right? These are the 5 different ways that generally used in order to traverse the hash map. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.